In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with PandaDoc. By the end, you'll have PandaDoc connected to your HubSpot workspace, so you can create, send, and track documents right from your CRM. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into a HubSpot account that has permission to install apps, and that you know which HubSpot account you want to connect. It also helps to have your PandaDoc account ready and any pop-up blockers temporarily disabled. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type HubSpot, then open the official HubSpot website and log into your account. Once you're in your HubSpot portal, look to the top navigation bar for the Marketplace icon. It often looks like a small store or app grid. Click that icon, then choose the HubSpot App Marketplace. This is where you'll find and add integrations to your workspace. Inside the Marketplace, go to the search bar and type PandaDoc. From the results, select the listing titled PandaDoc, eSign, CPQ, Payments. Open the listing page and take a moment to review the overview and permissions so you know exactly what data the integration will access. When you're ready, click Install to start the setup. If you have access to multiple HubSpot accounts, you'll be prompted to choose the one you want to connect. Select the correct account for your team, then confirm by clicking Choose Account. Next, you'll see a permissions screen. Carefully review the requested access, check the box to agree to the terms and privacy policy, and then click Connect App. This authorizes PandaDoc to work within your HubSpot portal. After you connect, the installation will complete, and you'll see a confirmation message. In most cases, HubSpot will finalize the link automatically. If a prompt appears from PandaDoc, just follow the on-screen guidance to finish linking your profiles. From here, you should be able to access PandaDoc features directly inside HubSpot records like contacts, companies, and deals, allowing you to build proposals, quotes, and contracts using your CRM data. If you don't see the Marketplace icon or the Install button, you may need admin permissions. Ask your HubSpot administrator to grant you access or perform the install. If you run into an authorization error, double-check that you selected the correct HubSpot account and that you're signed in with the right user. And if a page doesn't load during the process, try turning off pop-up blockers and refreshing. That's it! Your HubSpot and PandaDoc integration is now set up and ready to streamline your document workflow.